All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, let's continue. So we're saying now that we have money to be divided into X amount for Nicholas and X amount again for David. And the step you need to realize is that the and separates two terms. So the term that comes first will be the person that gets the first term. So in other words, Nicholas would get 2 and David would get 3. So you read the terms based on the worded statement as to which one comes first. Everybody understand? Right? So the money must be divided into equal parts. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the total amount of quantity to be divided, which is the ratio. So the first thing is to find the total ratio. Total ratio. The total ratio will be what? Ratio 1 plus ratio 2. So that would be 2 plus 3. So ratio 1 plus ratio 2 equals total. That would be 2 plus 3. And that would be 5. So now our total ratio is 5. Here's what we're going to do with that. We're going to say Nicholas, who received the 2, right, receives 2, and David receives 3 out of that 5 division into the money. All right, look at this now. So we're going to say, how much times can the 5 go into the money? That would give us the amount of 1 division. Does that make sense? So we're going to say 75 into 5, 5 into 75 would tell us how much does 1 ratio give. So we'd say, for example, 75 divided by 5 would tell us 1 ratio. Everybody agree? All right. Now, how much, since we know 1 ratio, calculate this for me. Let's calculate it. 75 divided by 5. That would be 15. Now that we know that 15 would be for one person getting literal 1/5 of this money, how much would Nicholas get? So Nicholas shares. Is equal to, anyone?
30.
Right. So what did you do? You said 15 times 2, correct? Because he got 2 shares. All right. So that would be $30. Let's go to David now. David's share would equal to
45.
45. Take me through the steps. You say David got a share of 3 times 15. So 15 times 3. That would give us 45. Good. So the rule is that we should get the total amount of money when we add back the values. So if we add 45 plus 30, that should give us back the original value, which was 75. And let's check. 45 plus 30 actually does give us 75. So we know that, therefore, this is proven. Everybody understands?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's just an introduction to what we're going to discuss next class. The topic is dividing quantities into a ratio. We're going to take this approach now and go deeper. And what if we had multiple persons getting a division? All right. So that's the next topic. But finish question 1, A and B in the book 2, which was really just to express values as ratio, decimal, and fraction and percentages. And then we can continue next class into dividing quantities into a ratio. Sounds good, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.